So I have just fixed one of the biggest issues when it comes to these speakers, the JBL 305P. So the input source of the power really matters when it comes to the noise. So I used to get sounds where it felt like sort of static sounds with these speakers, and I was wondering what it was for so long. And then I was watching this old video where I was looking at the power source, and I just had this brain thing where I was like, hang on, why don't we change the power source? So I plugged them directly into the wall from here, right there, into the power point, straight into it, and there is zero static. Nothing. It fixed it straight up. So before, I would put it into, so if there is a way to get a more powerful power board to power all of this setup, that would be 10 times better, but there is zero static. If you were to get up close, you won't be able to hear anything. I've gotten rid of the static noise that would come from these speakers. What I used to do is put the speaker's volume all the way on half, but now even on full, it doesn't have any sound issues coming out of it whatsoever. So I seem to have fixed all the issues, which is probably to do with power. So static is normally probably what comes from one, earthing, and then two, it is the power. So making sure that you're powering your speakers enough so that there's no static noise, no popping sounds, no weird hums or anything like that. They should be a-okay if you plug them into direct outlet into your wall. I thought like it was fine to just put them into a PowerPoint, and then all of a sudden it just clicked in my mind. It just clicked, and I was like, hang on, there is more power from direct outlet than just a power board, right? So essentially, stop plugging them into the power boards. I know that's easier, but direct outlet from your wall to the speakers will have a way better output, and you're not going to break the speakers or anything. I may have damaged the speakers because of the power, like not enough power for such a long time. Who knows, but they seem to be just fine. So yeah, guys, keep that in mind. So check how much power your speakers actually need, or even look into electricity, look into earthing, like if you're facing issues, look into these things and you will figure it out eventually. It's taken me years to figure it out. So yeah, there's a quick sound test for you guys as well from one of my original songs. But yeah, there's zero noise, cleaner sound just in general, and I'm very happy with these speakers. They've lasted a very long time. So overall, very good, and I hope this video will help you out.